What a phenomenal second quarter it's been! From academic milestones to vibrant community outreach, the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean (UCC) has made powerful strides across all fronts. We started strong with our presence at Expo Jamaica, where UCC stood out as a leader in education, innovation, and opportunity. Our booth sparked meaningful conversations, built new partnerships, and reminded everyone that UCC isn't just keeping pace, we're setting it. A major highlight was the 5th annual Rickert Allen Memorial Lecture, honoring the late Dr. Rickert Allen, former NCB Senior General Manager and UCC Board Chair. This esteemed event fostered national dialogue on finance, innovation, and leadership, areas where Dr. Allen made a lasting impact. We kept the energy high with the BDCI Lightning Talks Finance Series, a dynamic event where faculty, students, and entrepreneurs delivered short, impactful presentations, bridging the gap between innovation and financial access. Our story reached a national audience when UCC or Spectrum's Mr. Jonathan Corey and Mr. Owen Ferguson appeared on Smile Jamaica to spotlight the EcoVista Smart City Project, the Caribbean's first initiative recognized at the 2025 AIM Future Cities Awards in Abu Dhabi. Health and safety took center stage with comprehensive first aid and CPR training for staff across our campuses. Led by certified professionals and endorsed by the National Resuscitation Council of Jamaica, this training ensures our teams are well prepared in emergencies. As part of our ongoing outreach and commitment to youth development, UCC hosted the winners of the Mr. and Miss Jamaica High School for a special meet and greet with President Professor Colin Giles. During the visit, he shared words of encouragement and academic advice, reinforcing UCC's dedication to nurturing future leaders. Both winners were awarded associate degree level scholarships, highlighting UCC's continued support for access to higher education and its mission to foster leadership, creativity, and academic excellence. Sports Day brought out the UCC spirit in full force, with races, relays, and friendly competition, reminding us that community, wellness, and camaraderie are at the heart of who we are. A groundbreaking achievement this quarter was the official launch of our doctoral programs, marking a transformative step in our academic journey and solidifying UCC's role as a regional leader in research and advanced education. We also took a strong stand for well-being and equity through our men's health awareness initiatives and the UCCAA and Letting Loose Menstrual Cupboard Project, promoting access, dignity, and open conversations around health. As we close out Q2, one thing is certain: UCC is gaining momentum. We're strengthening our brand, expanding our reach, and deepening our impact. Guided by the vision of our president, Professor Colin Giles, we continue to demonstrate what it means to be a bold, innovative, and future-ready institution.